Start.
Gosh, how long is my hair?
Bruh.
Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. And this shoot was a lot of fun. It was super nice being outside again and doing something, but the conditions weren't the best. Even though the weather was good, you know, the sun was shining, there were absolutely no clouds, it was amazing. There has been snow the past few days, so it wasn't your everyday shoot. And the problem this gave was that it was so cold that under the snow there was a thick layer of ice and you always had to concentrate on where you're going, because if I slipped then my 1,000 euro plus camera and lens combination would have been absolutely destroyed. The camera I used on this shoot was my, go-to camera, my daily driver, my Sony A7 Mark I. The lenses I mounted on it were the Sony 85mm f1.8, which I also made a video about, and the other lens that I've used was my Nikon 50mm f1.4 vintage lens. You know, some purists might not like it, but I am a big fan of combining lenses from other mounts to my Sony E-mount camera, because it just gives me more options and I just have a really nice variety of lenses and characteristics that I can choose from. And to round off my camera and lens combination, I mounted a Tiffen Black Pro Mist filter in front of the lenses. I also made a video about this one, and for me the Black Pro Mist filter is just a no-brainer. I mount it always in front of my lenses because the filter just gives the photos some sprinklers of magic. One thing that kind of bothered me was that in some really harsh backlighting situations I had problems manually focusing my 50mm lens. The lighting was bad, so my camera couldn't do focus peaking, which was actually a big problem, but luckily I also nailed focus on some of these shots. My favorite photo from today's shoot is probably this one because of the depth it has. From the right side to the left side you see how it transitions from foreground main subject to background, and I just think that is really cool. But all in all, I'm super happy with how the photos turned out. I think cameras and lenses have worked together really well, and my editing also fit perfectly on these photos. So if you liked this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and share the video with your friends. And with all that said and done, take your camera and have fun!